Hello students, in the previous video, we read and understood the chapter, A Different Kind of School. In this video, we will see the summary, mind map and question answers of the chapter. Let us quickly revise the chapter through this summary. The narrator had heard a lot about Miss Beam's school and got a chance to visit it one day. On his arrival, he saw a girl with bandage on her eyes being led by a younger boy. The narrator met Miss Beam, who had an authoritative yet kind and motherly appearance. He asked her about their teaching methods. Miss Beam told him that they taught nothing more than simple spelling and calculations. Rest was done by interacting with students and reading for them. The main aim of their system was teaching thoughtfulness, kindness, and responsibility to students. She also explained that the school observes one blind, one lame, one deaf, one injured, and one dumb day for every child in a term. Those activities made the children more thoughtful. Narrator met a girl who had blind day. He communicated with her, guided her, and described things to her. The girl shared her feelings and learning with him. After this experience, the narrator realized that he had become 10 times more thoughtful than he initially was. He told Miss Beam that he was sorry to leave her school. She felt happy to know that the system in her school has something which can influence and change people's thinking. Let us also revise the chapter through this mind map, starting with the narrator visits Miss Beam's school, about which he has heard a lot. On entrance, he sees a girl with bandage on her eyes and being led by a boy. He learns the education system of the school from Miss Beam, how students are taught kindness and thoughtfulness. He learns how students learn to appreciate misfortune by playing blind, deaf, lame, dumb, etc. days. He meets a girl who was playing blind day. He guides her and interacts with her. By the time he leaves, he feels the change in his heart. Now let's see question answers. Why do you think the writer visited Miss Beam's school? The writer visited Miss Beam's school because he had heard a lot about the school and its teaching methods. He wanted to see it by his own and understand the system of school from Miss Beam. What was the game that every child in the school had to play? The games that every child in the school had to play was that each term every child had one blind day, one lame day, one deaf day, one injured day and one dumb day. Those who were playing these games were allotted a helper. By the end of the day, both the child and the helper had a learning lesson. Each term every child has one blind day, one lame day. Complete the line. Which day was the hardest? Why was it the hardest? Each term every child has one blind day, one lame day, one deaf day, one injured day and one dumb day. According to some children, blind day was the hardest as they were scared of being hurt. But according to others, dumb day was the hardest as their mouth could not be bandaged and they really had to exercise their willpower. What was the purpose of these special days? The purpose of these special days was to enable children to appreciate the misfortune and learn the values of thoughtfulness and kindness. We'll see another question. This will be revision of your diary entry. Imagine yourself to be the narrator of Miss Beam's school. Make a diary entry of the day you visited the school. Now, what is the format of diary? It is first date, day, then time. So, we will write date in alphanumeric, day and time. Diary is generally written in the evening or night. So, we will write PM. Now, some books prefer to address by writing Dear Diary, but it is not mandatory that you have to address the diary. You can directly start with your feelings. And remember, feelings are more important in writing a diary. Today, I have learned the best lesson of my life, which will remain with me forever. I got a chance to visit Miss Beam's school today. As I entered, I saw a girl with bandage on her eyes being led by a young boy. I wondered if the girl was blind. I met Miss Beam. As per my expectation, she was a woman full of authority yet friendly. She told me a lot about her well-formed system. She told me that apart from basic education, the most important thing taught in this school was thoughtfulness and kindness. When I asked about the jolly but inactive children, she surprised me by telling that they were actually not blind or crippled but acting so. She explained me how every child plays one blind day, deaf, dumb and lame day in the school to understand misfortune. She also took me to a girl who was playing blind day. Interaction with the girl changed me completely as a person. I realized how important it is to be compassionate, thoughtful, and kind. I was sad about leaving such a wonderful school which taught me so much. I will definitely pay frequent visits to Miss Beam's school in future. And at last, sign the diary. So this was question answer summary and mind map of the chapter. Thank you for listening, children. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.